Alright guys, so it's actually the day after I rode a lot of Ducatis and I'm going back for more. I'm gonna get on one of the like 2 or 3 bikes that I didn't try yesterday, because it just looked like too much fun to pass up. Damn. I'm going like 90. The fuck? So, I'm gonna be riding the Ducati Monster 1200R. Whew, she's beautiful. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Alright, what mode are we in? Touring. It's urban. Sport. Okay. Yeah, let's play with sport mode. Oh man. So I heard from Caffins yesterday that this bike is ridiculous. See, this is the clutch I can get used to. It's like right as you start letting out, it trickles forward. There we go. Oh, this bike is gonna be so bad for me. Damn, you can't see the screen in the sun at all. Oh, that's so bad. Then again, you're not gonna be looking down. You're gonna be fucking trying to keep your ass glued to this seat. Ooh, I can already feel the power on this beast. Fucking false neutral. Damn. Yes, please. I want 1 or 5. Another false neutral. Fuck me, man. That was brutal. They might be mad at me for that one. That's okay. This is the only test ride I'm doing today. Yeah, that's 2 false neutrals, and that one was going from 4th to 5th. Maybe the Ducati transmission is just something that you get used to. I'll have to ask Joe. He's had that motard for like 8 months, 9 months. So far though, really comfy. Peg position is great. Throttle response is great. I like the clutch lever and the brake lever. Honestly, they're the perfect amount of what's the word I'm looking for? Like, they're not too spongy, but they're not too stiff either. They're perfect. This thing definitely has a lot of power though, but it doesn't like low RPMs, which I guess you could say is true for most twins. I feel like this bike will do really good in the corners, so I'm pretty stoked for that. Wonder if it's got a quick shifter. Super easy to balance on this bike. Yeah, this upright position's really nice. I definitely don't feel the heat of the engine like I did on the Panigale. Like, this bike is very cool. I don't feel a lot of wind thanks to this little built-in fucking windscreen. Fuck yeah. Yeah, the balance on this is really easy to get. God, it feels so light when it's moving. Holy shit. Oh, Jesus. And this was the corner I got to hit real nice in the Panigale, thanks to somebody stalling their bike. Yeah, this pretty much feels like you're riding a dual sport, except it has, I don't know, 4 times the engine of your typical dual sport. I think the only thing that would worry me about this with the bar position would be lane splitting. I feel like there'd be a whole lot of effort to dodge mirrors. I have to get next to a car and see, but I'm pretty sure this is right at mirror level. Yep. Yeah, right there. Seems pretty narrow though, so I'm not sure how much of a deal it would be. Probably just be a problem for tighter splitting, where the ZX6R really kicks some ass. Yeah, it is a very nice bike. So I wonder how many miles is on it, because maybe the transmission just needs some more miles to actually get broken in. That's really the only thing I don't like about this bike, is either the gear shifter itself or the transmission. Whichever one is making it difficult to shift and then getting those false neutrals. God, fucking again. Yeah, final synopsis. I would love to have this bike in my garage. Really, the only thing I didn't like about it would be the transmission or the gear shifting. Just that in general was not as smooth as the other bikes. Found, what, 2 false neutrals on the highway. Other than that, this bike is glorious. Tons of power. Very comfortable to sit on. And yeah, fantastic bike. If I had the money, I'd probably buy one. The reality is, if I had the money, I'd buy fucking every bike. I would buy all of the bikes.
What the fuck, Richard?